How to find liked videos settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find liked videos settings on TikTok mobile. First thing, click TikTok and now click profile, and here we'll find this one, these three lines in top corner. Click on it and now click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and scroll down until you find here this one, like the videos. Here all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see here you will find who can watch your liked videos, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.